Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen boiled eggs. We'll cover everything from cooking the eggs to creating a delicious marinade. You'll learn the secrets to achieving that perfect jammy yolk and how to infuse your eggs with incredible flavor. Get ready to elevate your ramen experience with these simple, yet essential, steps for truly amazing ajitama. First, bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Carefully lower your large eggs into the boiling water and cook them for precisely 6.5 minutes. This timing is crucial for that ideal jammy consistency. Once cooked, immediately plunge the eggs into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Peel them gently under cold, running water for a smooth finish. Now, let's create the marinade. In a container, combine 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of mirin, and 1/4 cup of sake. Stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar until it dissolves completely. This blend creates a balanced, savory, and slightly sweet flavor profile. Carefully place your peeled eggs into this mixture, ensuring they are fully submerged for even marination. For the best results, marinate your eggs in the refrigerator for at least 6 hours, or ideally, overnight for 12 hours. Remember to gently rotate them occasionally to ensure an even color and flavor absorption. When you're ready to serve, simply slice the eggs in half and place them atop your favorite ramen bowl. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, flavorful ramen eggs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.